I think we should break up.
A week before my birthday?
Fine, you're right. That would be mean. How about next month, October?
We have that trip planned.
Okay, November.
That's our anniversary.
December.
I already got your Christmas gift.
January.
Happy New Year to no one.
February.
Valentine's Day.
March.
St. Patrick's Day.
April.
That's when we're putting my dog down.
May.
Disrespect the men and women who fought for our freedom.
June.
Flag Day.
July.
Independence Day.
August. We have no trips planned, no birthdays, and no holidays.
Okay.
Yes!